For regular updates, please subscribe to Smriti's Kitchen. Hello viewers, welcome back. Today we are making stuffed eggplant vegetable. This is very tasty and popular dish. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, please remember to subscribe. So let's start. For this recipe, we will need small size eggplants, sesame seeds, black cumin seeds or kalonji, poppy seeds, fenugreek seeds, coriander seeds, fennel seeds, dry unsalted peanuts, dry fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi, dry grated coconut, ginger garlic chili paste, onion, fresh green coriander leaves, cumin seeds, tamarind, carom seeds and few other common spices. All these spices will make a flavorful and popular dish which is something you all will remember. Gently roast the dry coconut until it turns golden brown. Grind it in a grinder or mixer and keep it aside. Stirring occasionally, dry roast coriander seeds, fennel seeds, poppy seeds, kalonji, sesame seeds, fenugreek seeds, peanuts and kasuri methi. Once the roasted dry spices cool down, grind together and make a fine dry powder. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking oil in a pan and roast the onion till it turns golden brown. Once the onion is caramelized, add some cumin seeds and let the onion cool down. Transfer the onion into a grinder jar and grind it to a fine paste. This onion paste will provide the base for the thick gravy in this recipe. Let's move on to prepare the small eggplants for stuffing. Remove the unwanted crown ends and then make vertical cuts into the eggplant. Essentially cutting the eggplant into 4 quarters. Don't make the cuts too deep as we want to maintain the integrity of this vegetable. After making the cuts, soak the eggplant into some cold salty water. This will help the eggplant to retain its original color. Eggplants are ready, so let's prepare the flavorful stuffing. Freshly grounded spices, dry roasted coconut, ginger garlic chili paste, Kashmiri chili powder, garam masala, finely chopped fresh coriander leaves, 1 spoon of cooking oil, salt to taste and half spoon of brown sugar. Stir all these spices together and what you will see is a colorful and very delicious stuffing which will tantalize your taste buds. Free to adjust the spices as per your choice. If you prefer mild spices, then reduce green chilies and red chili powder. Take the eggplant out of the water. Gently open it using your fingers and slide a spoonful of stuffing in the cuts. Turn on the sides and fill in another spoon of stuffing inside. Close it tight and keep aside. Stuff all the eggplants in the same manner. Once done, you should have some left over from the stuffing mix. Save it as we will use it for the gravy. Medium-low flame, heat a pan, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add a pinch of asafoetida or hing, mustard seeds and carom seeds. When the mustard seeds starts to sizzle, pour in the roasted onion paste and gently stir using a wooden spoon. You can add 3 to 4 tablespoons of water along with leftover stuffing mix, tablespoon of paprika and stir well so that everything blends together. Now the gravy base is ready. Gently place the stuffed eggplants. Add 2 to 3 spoons of tamarind water. Do not add any water at this point. The addition of water will overcook the eggplants. Cover the pan and let the eggplants cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove the cover. Look at the beautiful color of the gravy. You are going to love the flavors of this recipe. Add half cup of water and blend together. Cover the pan again. Let it simmer on a low flame for 5 to 7 minutes and the flavorful stuffed eggplants are ready. Let's transfer it into serving bowl and enjoy this mouth-watering dish with biryani, rice or some naan bread or roti. If you like this dish, please remember to subscribe, press the like button and share this video with your family and friends.